In this video, we are going to learn how to do the Jacob's ladder start that is in my Jacob's lattice pattern. Now, it's very helpful if you already know how to do foundation stitches, so go watch that video first if you don't know how. I'm going to start with my turning chain and just do a double crochet to get myself started. So chain one and then work the loops off. Now I'm going to do a foundation loop start. So it starts with a double crochet, so yarn over, insert into the previous chain one space, chain one, work the double crochet off. Now we make the loop. You want to chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you want to slip stitch into the top of the last double crochet you just made. I like to go under these 2 bars. However you do it, make sure you go under 2 bars of yarn. It always works for a better join. And I'm going to slip stitch to join that on. Now I'm going to do another foundation double crochet. Chain 1, work the loops off, and there we have a F loop. So you have a double crochet, chain 8, slip stitch to the top of the double crochet, then do another double crochet. Of course, these double crochets are foundation stitches.